Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Shift with Sudesh. This is chapter 1, The Earth in the Solar System, and part 2. In this video, we will discuss about the Earth, satellite, the moon, asteroid and meteoroid. So let us come with the first one, the Earth. What do you mean by the Earth? Look at this picture. This is our Earth. The Earth is the fifth largest planet in size and third nearest planet to the Sun and is our home. It is slightly flattened at the poles. Look at this picture. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. And this is slightly flattened at the pole. That is why its shape is called a geoid. This is the geoid shape. And the actual shape of geoid is like this. This is the geoid shape. Earth gets its light and heat from the sun, which is our nearest star. If we are talking from the outer space, the Earth appears blue like this because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. And I want to tell you some important fact. When our Earth is seen from the moon, it appears shining, just like the moon. Now, moving to the next topic, satellite. These all are the satellites, and it is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planets move around the sun. Human made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about universe or for communication. Artificial satellite is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the earth. I also want to some important facts that some of the satellite in space are INSET. This is the INSET satellite. This one is Indian satellite, and this one is IRS. This is also a Indian satellite, and this one is the EduSat, and this is also a Indian satellite. So these satellites means these Indian satellites move around the planet means our earth. Look at this picture. These all are the Indian satellites and these are moves around the earth. I think clear to all. Now moving to the next one, the moon. Our earth has only one natural satellite, that is the moon. Moon appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than the other celestial bodies. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days and 8 hours. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin of earth. This makes only one side of the moon visible from the earth. So no life exists on moon as it has neither water nor air. I also want to share some important facts that Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 29 July 1969. So coming to the next topic, asteroids. Look at this picture. These are the asteroids. There are a numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. Look at this picture. These are the numerous tiny bodies. And if we are asking about how the asteroids are formed, so the answer is the scientists believe that these are the parts of a planet which are formed by the explosion of the planet many years ago. So these are the asteroids. and they are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These are the asteroids. And look at this picture. I want to tell you some important facts. That the largest asteroid is the Sirius. This is the largest asteroid, and these one are the third one. So moving to the next topic, meteoroid. This is the meteoroid. The small pieces of rock which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these objects come close to the earth and drop upon it. While dropping on the earth, they get heated up and burn due to friction with the air and appear as a flash of light. Look at this picture. The meteoroid hitting the earth seen from the sun. And look at these meteoroids. I also want to tell you some important facts about the meteoroids. Meteoroids sometimes do not get burned completely and strike the earth's surface, creating a hollow. After that, I want to tell you some tips how to learn planet names in the order of their distance from the sun. So, I want to tell you, read this one. My very efficient mother just show us 9 planets. So, where the beginning of each words in the same as the first letter of the planet existing at that position in the order. Check the list below. M means Mercury, V means Venus, E means Earth, M means Mars, J means Jupiter, S means Saturn, and U means Uranus, and N means Neptune, and this is the Plato. So I think this is clear to all, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.